Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to trim your video created on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app and create your video. After that, you should tap on this button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. So tap on it, that's the trimming option. You should wait a few seconds and here you can see your full video. You should drag one of the corners and select the part that you would like to cut out. So here you can see that only those clips are included in your video that are framed within this white frame. So here you can see, if you tap on the play button, you can see how it looks like, and if you are satisfied with the trimming, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to save your video. So as you can see, your video has been trimmed. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.